time to check on the vintage Oh my god, this is so gross. This is part 3 of the vintage restoration journey that we're going on here. So this is 30 minutes of soaking. I am so disgusted. Look at the color of this water. Although that looks really white, so I think that is going well. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the water and then get some fresh, get something fresh going on in here. Oh my god. Yeah, that didn't do much, did it? Oh my god. Ew. Oh, I didn't even notice these buttons are like little pearls. How cute. A little bit of OxiClean. Setting a timer for another 30 minutes. The water is still not clear. It is still kind of gray. So, but some things look white. I don't know. We're getting somewhere.